quick video here, quick tip if you guys are doing this. I'm working on a 2008 Honda CRF 230F and it kept leaking out the overflow.
Smell gas. Okay, let's go back.
So I've taken it all apart, took the carb off to the bench. Now I did blow air through it once and it cleaned it, but then 3 rides in, it started leaking again. So I have the carb apart. So here's the bowl. Here's your little needle. So needle looks good. No problems there. Then I looked inside where the needle actually sits. I don't know if you guys can see it. There we go. You can see kind of the glare off it. There's 2 like big chunks of something, and that's going to affect your fuel. It's going to overflow if your needle can't do its job. So that needle goes in this hole, and that needle is stuck open. So it just constantly lets fuel by. So I'm not sure what it is, but there's 2 like big chunks of something. Could be that easy of a fix. So I'm hoping I just clean this out, put it all back together, throw it on the bike, and it's fine. So just a reminder, guys, just a quick tip, check to see if there's any dirt in there, even before you buy like a rebuild kit. Because, I mean, all my stuff's fine. I just was so annoyed with it leaking every time. And it could just be that right there. So let's clean that out. This is what I just removed. I'm not sure what it's from. Looks like some sort of plastic or something got in there. I'm not sure where, not sure how. Maybe through one of the lines, I don't know. But it's all cleaned out. This is moving nice and butter now, my float. So I hope that fixes it. Because yeah, these are definitely would cause a problem with the seal there. So let's throw it all back on and see if those 2 little chunks were the reason why it was leaking. All right guys, so I got it all back together. I got the 230 fired up. Runs way better now too. And look at that, no gas coming out. That is a simple, quick, free fix. Just check your carb. It literally took me 30 minutes to do this, on and off. Like, it's not bad at all. Just take a look before you guys buy like a carb rebuild, because it really could be that simple. I'm super glad I finally fixed that. I hope this video helps you guys. If it did, leave a like, subscribe for more quick tips. Cheers.